In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to offset a sketch in Fusion 360 using the most efficient methods available in the latest version of the software. Whether you are a beginner just starting your 3D modeling journey or an experienced designer looking to speed up your workflow, learning how to properly use the offset tool is a fundamental skill that will save you hours of manual drawing. Offsetting allows you to create perfectly parallel lines and concentric shapes with precise mechanical tolerances, making it essential for creating walls, casings, or mechanical clearance between parts. If this video helps you master the tool, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more detailed Fusion 360 tutorials. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open or create a sketch. If you are starting from scratch, go to the top left of the interface and click Create Sketch. Then select one of the primary planes to begin. If you already have a design in progress, simply right-click on your existing sketch in the timeline or the browser and select Edit Sketch. Once you are inside the active sketching environment, you will see the sketch palette on the right and the Modify tools at the top. Now we need to open the Offset tool. You can find this by navigating to the Sketch tab, then looking under the Modify drop-down menu where you will see the Offset icon. A much faster way that professionals use is simply pressing the O key on your keyboard, which is the default shortcut for the Offset command. After activating the tool, the next step is to select the sketch object. This can be a single line, an arc, a circle, or a complex closed profile. By default, Fusion 360 has chain selection enabled, which means if you click one line of a connected rectangular path, it will automatically select the entire continuous loop. If you only want to offset a single segment, you can uncheck the chain selection box in the Offset dialog box. Once your geometry is selected, it is time to set the offset distance. You will see a red preview line and a blue drag handle appear on your screen. You can click and drag this handle inward or outward to visually set the distance. However, for precision engineering, you should enter the exact distance value into the input box. If you want the offset to go in the opposite direction of the preview, simply type a negative sign before your number. You can also utilize the flip button in the dialog menu to quickly toggle the direction. Before finishing, take a look at the options in the floating window to ensure everything looks correct. Once you are satisfied with the preview, click OK in the Offset dialog or press Enter on your keyboard to confirm the offset. You will now see your new sketch geometry perfectly constrained to the original. This is a powerful feature because if you change the dimensions of your original sketch later, the offset geometry will update automatically to maintain that specific distance. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to offset a sketch in Fusion 360. This simple yet powerful tool is the backbone of creating complex mechanical parts and consistent wall thicknesses in your designs. If this video was helpful, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to support the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.